Enterprise resource planning software like SAP ERP, including SAP S/4HANA and SAP ECC, are critical for every growing company. But keeping up the pace with highly volatile and fast speed, changing business requirement in today's market can be complex and time consuming for you, even after spending a handful of money. If you can relate to, then it is high time to figure out how to do it simply with ease. Hello everyone, I am Pinky Maurya from Webtel, and today in this video I am going to cover all about SAP ERP, starting with what is SAP ERP, following with why you need it and what changes you might face while working with SAP ERP. And at the end, I will also reveal how you can simplify your SAP ERP management. So stay tuned. Before heading towards anything else, let's first understand what SAP ERP is and why do you need it. SAP ERP is an enterprise resource planning solution known to provide an unfilled solution for a company various operations. By centralized data management, this supports business in managing complicated business cycles so that they can speed up work processes, enhance functional performance, increase efficiency, improve customer interactions, and last but not the least, increase profits. Now, if we have understood what SAP ERP is, then now let's understand why we need it and how it can make a difference. If I talk about the traditional times, business model used to have a decentralized way to store and work over data in separated data sets, making it difficult for representatives from different company functions and departments to connect and access each other's data. As a result, the duplication of data across divisions increased IT collective costs and risk of informational errors. Thus, it became must to bring centralization in managing data and integration of business processes with different departments for creating a smooth and error-free business flow. And without a solution like SAP ERP, there would be no flexibility in the working structure, no possibility to access multiple data, no chance to integrate data with several databases, and so on, which means that you are going to miss out many such functionalities and ultimately it will have a big impact on the business flow and in managing the various corporate areas. However, like every other great technological platform, for SAP ERP also a high level of expertise is required to implement and manage the SAP ERP landscape. Most of the time, many firms want these applications to function continuously but on the same page. They struggle to seamlessly and successfully manage their SAP ERP frameworks. Moreover, SAP ERP applications need considerable care and feeding when they are combined with other programs to ensure that they function properly every day, which is not a cup of tea for everyone. The challenges one might face can be lack of internal IT personnel access, lack of SAP specialist abilities, shifting business requirements, geological consequences, increased business constraints, and so on. So here is when the role of SAP Managed Service Partner comes into play, as they are known for supporting IT groups to be in line with business demands and effectively keep up with their SAP ERP requirements. SAP Managed Services Partner is expert in managing the SAP ERP landscape and help proactively in screening and keeping up with the essential SAP ERP applications to ensure equity and accessibility as required. SAP Managed Service Partner brings a noticeable improvisation in SAP ERP management by focusing on both specialized and functional components and help enterprises fulfill their present and future needs. So, if you are also looking for smooth and seamless business operations, lower your total cost of ownership, scale up the operations effectively, and achieve your business goals, then you must look out for SAP Partner, who can help your company to achieve the same with expertise. On this note, I would highly recommend Webtel's SAP ERP services to accelerate your SAP ERP application portfolio with the competency of experts, technology, and innovation. Webtel as a SAP Managed Service Partner not just defines the support model but also believe in building an approach for leveraging SAP ERP and enabling transformation centered on business outcomes via patched-up solution and consulting. If you want to know more about Webtel's SAP ERP services, then visit the link mentioned in the description below and let us know in the comment section if you have any doubts. We will be coming up with more interesting videos on SAP ERP management. Till then, give a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you found this video helpful. Stay tuned with us for better SAP ERP management.